MyMealOrder offers a simple and effective way for families to pre-order and pay for school meals online. In this video, we'll show you how parents can easily order meals and pay for school fees and activities, as well as how administrators can easily manage the orders and view reports to provide them with all the information they need. Let's start with the parent site. Parents can sign up for a free account at MyMealOrder.com, then add students to their account. Only one account is needed for all students in the household. Once parents have added students to their account, MyMealOrder will automatically know which schools and menus to show for their students. And if they forget their password, parents can use the Forgot Password feature to have a temporary password emailed to them. When parents log in, they'll see the menu choices for the current week on the home screen by default. They can view the details of a meal by clicking Meal Details. If enabled, this will show nutritional information and allergens. To order a meal, they'll simply click the Add to Cart button. A la carte items can also be ordered by clicking the Order button and adding a quantity next to each item that they want to order. Parents that want to purchase a drink only have the option to purchase for a week, a month, or for the entire school year with one click. Meals that are grayed out are either past the ordering deadline or blocked from ordering. A great feature in MyMealOrder is the ability to block ordering for specific dates or grades for things like field trips. This prevents parents from ordering meals on those days, then having the hassle of needing to cancel and offer a credit later. Parents can also choose to order using the month view. In this view, parents can view and order meals for the entire month. MyMealOrder can also accept payments for any fee or activity at your school. The categories and activities are completely customizable by the admins and are a great way to collect payments for yearbooks, club dues, athletic fees, PTA dues, and more. To complete the checkout process, parents will click View Cart and review their order. All meals and items will be listed, along with their cost. Items can be removed from the cart by clicking the X next to the item, as well as from the summary page. On the final payment screen, the parents will enter their credit card or checking information. They can also store their payment information so they won't have to enter the payment details each time. Once they purchase, a summary of the transaction will be displayed on the screen, and the parent will also be emailed a receipt of their order. Parents can also see their transaction history at any time by clicking My Orders. Parents can have a positive or negative account balance in MyMealOrder. If a meal is purchased and the parent cancels the order prior to the deadline, a credit is added to their account and will be automatically applied the next time they check out. If an admin orders a meal for a student or applies a manual charge, the charge is applied to the parent's account and they will need to pay the charge the next time they order. Parents will be emailed each time this happens. Now, let's move on to the admin site in MyMealOrder. As an administrator, you'll set an ordering deadline. There are several options for setting the deadline. For example, you can set the deadline as a 3-day lead time, the day of by 9 a.m., or a date range to allow ordering for the upcoming month. Credits and charges can be manually applied to a parent account, and you'll have the ability to see transaction history for a parent account. Orders can be canceled for an individual student for any date range. An admin can also cancel all orders for a date range for all students with one click of a button, like in the example if school is canceled for a snow day. When orders are canceled on the admin site, a credit is automatically applied to the parent's MyMealOrder account, and an email is sent to the parent to notify them of the cancellation. Sending an email to all parents that have accounts in MyMealOrder is easy with our full email editor. Send attachments and get details of which parents received the emails versus those that failed to receive them. Regarding setup, all students can be imported into MyMealOrder. Prior to the start of each school year, we'll deactivate all students in MyMealOrder and import a new file with the students, which will activate existing and add any new students. Food items can also be imported or manually entered. Nutritional information and allergens are optional. Designing and scheduling meals is extremely quick and easy. Menus can be set up as meals or as a la carte items. There is no limit to the number of meals that can be scheduled on a day with MyMealOrder, and you can schedule meals and a la carte menus for the same day too. Dates can be blocked from ordering for specific grades, like in the case of a field trip. MyMealOrder includes a full suite of reports for administrators. Reports for fees and activities will show revenue received for the activities as well as a listing of which student has paid for the activity. There are several different reports that list each individual student and their order items as well as total quantities needed for each item for each day in the selected date range. Our revenue reports also allow you to run them based on meal date or transaction date. There is also a dashboard in MyMealOrder that will show you both month-to-date revenue and year-to-date revenue at a quick glance. MyMealOrder eliminates the hassle of tracking payments for school lunches and fees and activities. Ready to start saving time and money? Give us a call or send us an email and we'll be happy to get you started.